we are in the canyon above Candelaria, Sandia Mountains, watching, well, we were watching Roadrunners hunt, and there were two of them. One just flew to the left here. You never know, he might appear in view any second now. Not sure what they're hunting. Probably sparrows, birds. They're big time lizard eaters, but they also like to eat their birdies. So usually they go up on top of a rock and observe what's happening in the surrounding area, usually looking down. So there it is. There it is, right there. So they usually spend the night up here in the foothills, and then they move down as it gets warmer and sunnier, and scope out the area, scope out their targets, and then trying to keep the camera focused here, it's not cooperating, and then move into the flatter areas and into the neighborhoods, even here in Albuquerque. So they got all these areas here that they patrol, and they move in the yards, eat lizards, birds, songbirds, and drink water, and just hang out for the day. Then in the evening they move back up into the hills. Unfortunately, I'm getting a phone call now, but there you go. You get to see this Roadrunner. There he is. Yeah, you might be hearing this call and wondering what's going on. Yeah. So here we go. Nice picture. Ah, here came his buddy. Look at that. There's two of them now. Look at that. Oh, the other one disappeared. They're moving on. There they go. They're hunting lizards. I think they hear this ringing. Unfortunately, I just moved into phone zone. Okay, there's one. Look at him moving along here. Having a hard time keeping this in focus. But they flush animals because they hunt usually 2, 3s, and sometimes even 4s. Flocks of 2, 3, 4 birds, and flush their prey. Okay, they seem to have disappeared, so I'm going to sign off.